Welcome to our channel. Efficient packing for extended travel requires strategy and versatile choices. Step 1. Choose a durable suitcase with good organization features and reliable wheels. Step 2. Create a packing list several days before departure to avoid forgetting essentials. Step 3. Select versatile clothing pieces that mix and match in neutral colors. Step 4. Use packing cubes to organize items by category and compress clothing. Step 5. Roll clothes instead of folding to save space and reduce wrinkles. Step 6. Pack heavier items near the wheels and lighter items on top. Step 7. Bring layers that work for different weather conditions rather than bulky single-purpose items. Step 8. Limit shoes to 3 pairs maximum, wearing the bulkiest during travel. Step 9. Pack travel-size toiletries and plan to refill or buy more at your destination. Step 10. Include a small medical kit with essential medications and first aid supplies. Step 11. Leave some space for souvenirs and items you might acquire. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.